This tutorial shows you how to create a roof in the Home Planner app. First, click Create 3D Design and choose a rectangular floor plan to start with a basic project. Next, go to Add, Build, Add Level to create a second floor. Now let's remove the unnecessary elements. Delete the windows and the door. Select the ceiling, open the color menu, go to Options Other, and choose the transparent material. Now the ceiling is transparent. Next, select a wall, open the More menu, and click Hide Wall. Repeat this for all the walls on the second floor. As you can see, we now have a flat roof base. Go to Add Furniture, Build, Roof, Roof Types, and choose any roof style you like. Click the Roof and Size tool. Drag the resize markers to fit the roof to your house. Now the roof is in place. To change the roofing material, select the roof, open the color menu, and choose any material you like. You can also add extra details. Go back to the roof catalog, select a chimney for example, and drag it onto the plan. Move it into position by dragging it over the roof. Let's adjust it a little. Select the chimney, click the Size tool, and use the height control to place it the way you like. You can also adjust the roof height. Select the roof, open the Size tool, click the height value, and enter the height you need. And that's it. Your roof is ready, and your dream home is one step closer to completion.